This is a 1911 Marathon Model M40 Roadster. 35 horsepower, fully equipped with a mohair top. $1,400. Over 100 years ago, Marathon automobiles were made here in Nashville, start to finish. They were the vision of William Henry Collier, chief engineer of Marathon Motor Works in 1910. He is born in Jackson, Tennessee during the late 1800s, the Gilded Age, a time of great inventions. He earns a degree in mechanical engineering and finds work as a machinist and draftsman, eventually at Southern Engine and Boiler Works in his hometown. Starting in his mid-20s, he has over 40 patents registered and rises to superintendent of Southern Engine. This is the brass era in automobile history. Small-scale production, experimental designs, and alternate power systems, electric, steam, and gas engines. In the early 1900s, these new contraptions are not that popular. Too expensive for most, thought of as unreliable. Collier may have been introduced to the horseless carriage in 1904 to repair a doctor's 1903 Cadillac. He gets the car going again, finds out how it works, and sees the future. Over the next few years, and after many attempts, 600 Southern automobiles are built at the Jackson factory. Southern Engine and Boiler Works is the first and only automobile plant in the southeastern U.S. More factory space is needed. In 1910, a new company is formed and moves to Nashville. An old 100,000 square foot cotton mill becomes the site of the new factory. Automobiles are built at single workstations, all parts made in-house. They get their name from the Greek symbol of endurance, marathon, the winner in a local naming contest. In 1911, 5 different models are produced, 12 in 1912. In 1913, Marathon is one of the top producers in the U.S. 1914 models will feature electric start. Known for high quality and durability, Marathons are used to chart the New Cross State Highway from Bristol to Memphis. Newspaper ads feature models in front of the new Belmont Mansion and the Parthenon. Sales are worldwide. A December 1913 Car Magazine ad reads, "The biggest looking car for its smooth, easy, graceful glide and its impression of reserve power. It's as knobby as any car you know, and as remarkable in service as the Marathon winner, which has them all guessing." But these are tough times for the 250 U.S. small auto manufacturers. 200 will go out of business in the next 20 years. Marathon will not make it out of 1914. Although over 20,000 Marathons have been sold, the company falls. Production lags, suppliers unpaid, 3 presidents in 4 years. Collier leaves the company. Styles change. Hand-built Marathons are a mid-level car and cost more to make. The Ford Model T sells for much less and soon outnumbers all other cars combined. The assembly line becomes the standard for manufacturing, producing quicker and for less. Horseless carriages fall out of fashion and are discontinued. Marathon Motor Works continues to create parts, but the factory in Nashville is gone by 1918. Collier's time in Nashville ends. He moves on to other auto companies in other cities. His inventions and patents continue, and he eventually resettles in Jackson. Auto manufacturing in Tennessee would be over for the next 75 years, and the Marathon Motor Works building would lay idle for most of them.